Friday, my friends. I hope everyone is looking forward to the weekend and has a fabulous weekend ahead of them. But before we get into the weekend, I wanted to bring you 4 data entry job leads so that you could get those applications in. I know a lot of you from the comments are looking for non-phone data entry. But if these job leads are not for you, of course, feel free to leave what you are looking for specifically in the comments because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And the links to everything that I share will be in the description box below. But first up, we have Health Access. They are hiring a remote data entry operator. Now, this is for my United States folks only, and this is a seasonal full-time position. It is looking to start now and go through March of 2023. So this is perfect to get your foot in the door and be making some money while you are searching for your permanent full-time job. But they are looking for someone to enter data into their computer system using alphabetic, numeric, and symbolic data from source documents following their production guidelines. You'll keep track of received data and source documents. You'll prepare and sort those source documents and identify and interpret data to be entered. You'll maintain a business-like production environment. You'll compare the data entered with the source documents and reorder data in verification format and screens to detect errors. You'll compile, sort, and verify the accuracy of the data entered. And you'll also respond to any inquiries regarding the data entered. Now, they are requiring you to have a high school diploma or a GED. However, they only require 0 to 2 years in a related field. You have to be able to type at least 45 words per minute with a good level of accuracy. And of course, you have to be able to use computer with keyboard, mouse, and you have to be familiar with Microsoft Office Suite. Now, unfortunately, this job did not list pay. You'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. Next up, we have the company NeoGov, and they are hiring a data entry contractor. Now, this one is for my United States and Canadian folks. So they're looking for someone to own and champion a specific Salesforce project that they're working on. You'll be partnering with their finance and legal team to update data and contract terms within Salesforce. So you'll dive into client accounts in Salesforce and determine the contract type. You'll look for certain information and update opportunities. You'll review all internal sales files to determine the updates and reviews needed. So they are looking for someone who is a team player, detail-oriented, and can be very trustworthy. Now, again, they do not list pay. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. So next up, we have Change Healthcare hiring a data entry operator. This company has been featured on this channel before. So they are really looking for someone to perform administrative tasks, analyze problems, determine, approach, compile, and analyze the data, and prepare reports and recommendations. If you identify any issues and trends, you'll bring them to the attention of the management team. And so you'll work on special projects as assigned. They, again, don't require a college degree. They only require a high school diploma, 1 year of administrative support experience. Someone who can meet performance goals, has strong written and verbal communication skills. Now, again, their pay is not listed. However, they do list that they offer benefits, including health, dental, vision, paid time off, all of these standard benefit packages. And last but not least, we have the AIDS Healthcare Foundation hiring a temporary data entry clerk. So this one is another temp position that you can get in and be working and make money while you are still applying for your dream work from home career. So this healthcare foundation is a largely specialized provider of HIV and AIDS medical care in the nation. They're looking for people to help with their data entry. They're really looking for someone just to do accurate data entry who is knowledgeable in Microsoft Office and computer literate, and you have experience with written and telephonic communications with medical providers. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.